This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. That's a 14 by 14 inch canvas. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That's going to contain a bloom, I hope. I'm running low on my white paint, but I have some black. They're both from Sherwin Williams. I'm not sure the white is called anything. I know it's eggshell. I like actually using the black and white together. It's time to fill everything up. Let me put a little more white in there. Hopefully I have enough. I've picked out some of my favorite colors. I may add more, you can never tell with me. But I want to go whole hog on the Prizm Pour Wild Orchid. And I have a color I mixed with Chantilly lace and Prussian violet. Chantilly lace is a Prizm Pour. Prussian violet, I believe, is a primary element. Then I made some Tempting Tulip, which is a primary element. I may spread this around a little bit. I'm curious to use some of the Gingerflower with the Tempting Tulip to see how different they are. Nice. It's much darker. I wanted something much darker. I probably should have put the indigo violet down first. It says it's a Prizm Pour. I haven't used my Rhapsody Rose for a while, and I'm going to be upset when it's gone because I love it. I'm going to throw a little Icy Iris in there. Another Primary Element, excuse me. And I don't mind if some of the designs stay behind. Last but not least, I'm going to throw some Bling It Golden Maple in there. I contemplated putting silver in. I'm trying to get some of my bottles out of the way now before I have to panic. I'm sure there's other things I could put in there. I think I might put some Mayan Gold on top of my spatula. And I'm going to use both black and the white Amsterdam Black, Amsterdam White, and they're in Aussie Floetrol. It's very tempting to use my iridescent Pebia Blue Violet, and if I don't like the way this works, I may do that. I like moving some paint out to the edge. I don't think I'm the only one who does that. I think I want to do a little scoop and drag. Hopefully I've got, yes, a nice handy I think this ought to be pretty cool. I like those dendrites. Take whatever I've got left for paint. I wonder if I've got any in here. Just a little. Perfect. I'm expecting something gorgeous. I should have done that over here. You know what? I can do the same thing with the black. Although I am seeing that there's quite a bit of paint there. So maybe I'll just cover it and return to center all the cool stuff. Okay, hopefully that will have resolved my issue. One more scoop and drag. I'm throwing those in the bucket. I'm hoping for the best. I'm going to have to move this in quite a bit. Make sure it doesn't hit anything. Make sure it's centrifugally correct. I know people think that if you spin slow that you get rounder cells, but I like the cells the shape I get when I spin as I do. I may want to scoop and drag. I may want to swipe and scoop and drag. I thought I saw something I wasn't too thrilled about. Yeah. So let me grab one of my little acetate tools. You can always ask me for the video if I don't bother to include it underneath. Or you can look in my playlist tools. I've got paint. I do love the acetate tools for another reason. You can pick up the paint, flip them upside down, and fully utilize that to put down your edges, do whatever you want actually. In this case, transfer. Excuse me. Why not? It's there to use, right? Come on. It does create a section once in a while. That's too bad. I just kind of ruined something. Hopefully it'll be alright. There we go. I see I have one more spot. To allow to fill in. Otherwise, things are looking pretty cool. I like using my residuals. I think I need one more spin. We got some really hellacious cells coming up. Really awesome. That's going to make a noise, but I wasn't ready for that noisy of a noise. I thought it was going to be less noisy. It's a tight fit. There, that's pretty wild. That's totally wild. One more time, even though I don't really want to. Gotta get enough paint off so that it doesn't crack. I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my Prizm Pours, Primary Elements, and Blingets. You should look for the 15% off Colourarte coupon code below the video. You'll be helping me out a little bit, and I appreciate that. And you'll be helping Colourarte a lot. We want to help them out a lot. If there's anything else I need in here, I like to add a few spirals. That's not just my thing. I think a lot of people like to add a few spirals. I don't see any place else that totally needs them. Seems to have an object in the center of it, so I'm glad I did that. I want to spin one more time. So what can I tell you guys? Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I really appreciate your kind words and your comments. They keep my morale boosted. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I also sell my artwork occasionally. I like to sell my artwork. It would be a big assistance. There's a membership. If you'd like to become a member, it's $9.99 a month, and you have access to a members-only library of 60 to 70 videos that'll be continuing to go up over time. I wish I hadn't just put that in the bucket, because I see someplace I want to use a... Now, where's the little place that I saw? Let's just do that. I don't think that'll hurt anything. Any place that looks out of place to me is a good place to put a spiral, in my opinion. You do need to check them, because often they will have a bubble in the center that you need to pop. Alright, let's see if I can shimmer this at you. It's a wild one. It's wildly purple. It's cool though. I haven't been doing any scoop and drags for a little while. I did a whole lot all at once, and then I stopped because I was doing too many, or so it seemed. My camera battery says it's going to die too. Well, I see a bubble there. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check them. One of my playlists, number 28 by the 100. And I have all of them organized by topic and genre. And I can give you a link if you need one. This is this right here. This is bugging me. Yeah, that was just a big petal-shaped blob. And now at least it's something. Alright. My papering recipe is below the video. My email address is, wow, is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. What am I forgetting? My Amazon link is on my link tree. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my website, they're also on my link tree. On my Amazon link you can find my book. Volumes 1 and 2, honestly, of my book. And I'm so distracted. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Ooh, that's a nice angle. This is probably just going to keep creating more cells. And I'll find a favorite angle, but I'm liking it more and more. And I'm hoping that it's not out of frame for you. There's some spooky stuff in there I just saw. Check it out. Alright, I'll say goodbye for now. I'm going to say Priscilla out. And I love you, and you inspire the heck out of me. I'll see you anon. I'm sorry about the sniffing. It's been a couple days. I think I might have a cold, but that's all. Whatever I'm forgetting, I'll tell you in another video. Bye for now. Priscilla out.